While the crypto winter is causing low-quality projects to leave the market, providing a great opportunity for the next cycle unicorns, AiPROENERGY continues to invest in R&D. We remain a sustainable company because we believe in the future of Bitcoin and create new solutions that support both Pleb and Industrial miners. We have developed an adapter that is installed between power cable and C19 outlet. This is a 240 volts, 25 amps, ZigBee remote-controlled power relay with temperature, amperage and voltage sensors on board. With our patented smart adapter, you can make any device smart, turn the equipment on and off remotely. May be integrated into various cloud-based automation platforms via OpenAPI. We have also developed a smart splitter. We manufacture and implement a smart microchip in the middle of the C19 to C13 cable. The first batch of our smart devices will go on sale at the end of this year. Be first to place an order. The number of the first batch is limited.